wait, wait, wait. Wait, कैमरा पीछे दे.
Up to you guys.
कहाँ पे करना है?
You want me to sit there? Over there or here? Yeah. Good, you like it? Nice item, no?
नेट चालू हो गया. हाँ, बंद कर.
Okay, Claudia, सबसे पहले तो congratulations आपको. First of all, very very congratulations. Keep eating and keep losing. It's a very good idea. It's a very good title.
Thank you.
What did you say about it?
Well, Keep Eating, Keep Losing is my first book, and I announced some time back that I'm also a certified nutritionist. That's how the idea has come to even write that book. Otherwise, I'm not really an author, not really I want to go that direction, but this book is a very special for me and very close to my heart. Being a model and an actress, it has been like many years in going into this direction. So, taking care of our body and looking always, fresh and being in shape is a part of our life. Every model and actor automatically has to take care of themselves, of the health, of the body, of the look, right? So, I have been always passionate about that, and that's how the idea has come to even study further, take that passion further and study nutritionist and diet and how the body is even working, how it is, digesting carbs, protein, fats, etc., without going into the details. So basically, I've been passionate about that, and then I have decided, let me study it further. I have become this certified nutritionist, and that's the point where I decided, no, let me write a book, because many people still are doing a very basic mistake if it comes to their diet. They are starving if they are thinking, oh, they want to lose weight, so I can't eat anything, I can't eat this. No, you should eat, you should increase your metabolism, you can do many more things, don't torture your body. So I thought, let me write that book and let me spread the awareness as much as I can.
So what I'm releasing on this book? कब तक ये release होगी ये book?
So right now this book is in print. It's almost is coming back from the print. So very much soon, maybe this month or beginning of next month, we are going to publish that book. And Om Books International is the publisher, who is from Delhi.
Oh, great. So आपने लिखा है ये book मतलब?
Yes.
You write down
ये
that book.
हाँ मैंने ही लिखा है
Tell us about how's the experience and how many times you will spend the book?
As I said, I'm not an author or a professional writer, so it took me a bit longer because, also nutrition is such a topic, wide topic, that, you continuously have to be updated. New science, new research, new things are coming up. So continuously, it's not like you have written the book and it's over. You have to update, and new news you have to incorporate into that. And trust me, I have been a very hard time for me to write that because I'm professionist myself, so I just want everything to be like perfect and on the spot, on the up to date information. So it took me a bit time. I took also my time because I have been busy, even my movie release, lots of events are happening, so I have been busy with my own work also. So but yeah, since the last 1 year I have been like on my work with that book. That was my journey basically.
So overall, how was the experience that book, and it was releasing on I think next month, correct?
Yeah,
Next
yeah,
month.
this.
Overall, how was the experience in the book, and what kinds of facility in this book कि हम क्या क्या हमें देखने को मिलेगा इस बुक के अंदर कि जो लोग अगर चाहें कि किसी को क्लाउडिया बनना है because you very fit and fine. So what?
You see, Keep Eating, Keep Losing, Weight Loss Secrets is a holistic strategy which will basically assist the audience, basically the readers, to reorganize their life and understand how important it is to incorporate the healthy lifestyle inside your daily routine, right? So basically, the three basic components are like healthy eating, exercise, and rest, which I am pointing mostly in that book, and I'm explaining how beautifully once you incorporate that, how many benefits you will get and how your life automatically will be changing. So that's what my book is all about, and I'm sure it it's a lot of I try to give a lot of tips, a lot of guidelines, very easy ones that everyone can follow in a daily routine without even having that fancy diets which will just forbid you eat this, don't eat this. I try to avoid that in my book. So that's a good point. And Indian diet, in my opinion, as I studied here also, has an already beautiful diet from the base itself. You are eating a lot of vegetables. You are having pulses and legumes like dal. You are eating like rajma and all this stuff. You are having that vegetables, beautiful varieties of that, which you are already eating that daily. So you don't need to really change your diet. You just need to slightly mold it up, and maybe few adjustments has to be done. That's all Indian diet requires, otherwise it is perfect. So that's what I was trying to explain in my book also to the readers, to the viewers, and I hope they will really enjoy reading that, and I hope they will get lots of benefits from it.
Oh, wow, great. And also, Shilpa Shetty's have a belonging.
Yes.
Very fit and fine, and Shilpa Shetty's have a book.
Yes.
And now your book is releasing on next month.
That's right.
You thought कि competition और बढ़ने वाला है fitness को लेकर?
You know what? I think this is a bunch of people, be it Shilpa, be it me, be it many others, who are trying to spread the awareness and try to educate a bit the public how health and healthy lifestyle is important. I don't see Shilpa as a competition. You see, I'm a nutritionist myself. She's not. So, but she has written a beautiful book and she publicized it very well. So I'm sure she helped already with it many people. So so am I trying to do so. So I think we need more and more people trying to point out health and the benefits of health and healthy living, so that people will take it more seriously, and finally India will become more healthy. That's our point of view.
Also, social network medias, everyone is told Claudia is very fit and fine lady. So what's your mantra? Because you are very fit and fine. So what's your mantra?
You see, I'm myself nutritionist, so I'm doing my own diet charts and all this stuff, so I can beautifully take care of my health and myself. Exercise has been always a part of my life. I'm also pointing very clearly that giving rest, enough of time to rest for the body, is also equally important, because if you're not resting properly, then you are cranky, then cravings will start, and you will start eating sweets, and then your diet is going on toast, then you are getting lazy because of the amount of sugar you are consuming, then you are too lazy to go to the gym. So it is one big circle. So once you incorporate all those three components which I'm pointing in my book, healthy eating, exercise and rest, beautifully your life can change. And so that I'm following a wholesome, balanced diet, and my life has really changed. So that's what I will always advise other people to do, because I already experienced the benefits, so I want them to see the benefits as well.
And we saw lots of female Bollywood actors very fit and fine.
Yes.
So आप किसे मानते हैं सबसे ज़्यादा who is a very fit and fine lady? And
I
who's
think-
admire you?
I think nowadays most of the actresses are very fit, and they, because being an actress, being a model, it's very important for them to take care of how they look. They have to be always fresh, even if they are working throughout the night or whatever it is. The schedule sometimes can be very hectic. Still, in front of the camera, they have to look perfectly. So I think even Jacqueline, she really takes care. Sonam Kapoor, see what she has done. I mean, they are all of them. So many superstar kids has been like really a bit healthier, and they lost weight in a healthy way to be in front of the camera. So it is a journey which anybody can do. It's not a big deal. People are really afraid if they hear, oh my God, diet, I have to go on diet, I want to lose weight. They're already like, frustrated, and they're already not comfortable being on a diet, but the point is you should not go on diet and be out of diet. You should just follow a healthy lifestyle which you can beautifully incorporate into your life. So that's the point.
And male actor, you think he is very fit?
Definitely all of them, from Hrithik Roshan to Shah Rukh Khan. Look at, at his body. Varun Dhawan, who is not fit? Everyone is fit. Even Tiger Shroff, which you are going to interview right now. So he's the fittest one. So I think most of them are trying to give their level best and try to take care of their body as well as promote health. So other can do that.
So आप हम कुछ ऐसा माने कि बुक लॉन्च के दौरान कोई आप जिसे भी फिटनेस मानती हैं कि ये टाइगर श्रॉफ, ऋतिक रोशन, इनमें से कोई आपकी बुक लॉन्च के लिए यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट होने वाला है या आपने किसी को कुछ अप्रोच किया है कि आप इसके अलावा और भी कोई बुक लॉन्च करने के लिए?
Definitely. A Great Celebrity has written the forward for my book, and A Great Celebrity will launch my book also. But I can't give you all the news right now. So be in touch, and definitely soon you will get more and more news.
Wish you all the best. And final words, what do you say about your viewers and your group? Final words.
I would like to advise or request you guys to incorporate healthy living inside in your life, because it's very important part. You will get tremendous benefits, and you will see how beautifully your life is changing, obviously towards the positive, and how much happiness and you will get out of it. So eat healthy, live healthy, and follow that.
Thank you so much,
Thank you
and
so
wish you
much.
all the best.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
The proper date of the
Shorts.
yeah. Bye. Thank you.
बाय
हो गया आपका?
हाँ
चलो लाइन में बोलो।